cave in the woods, in her deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with her eyes shut tight, she sleeps through the day, and she sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. A wee little mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls into Bear's cave from the cold, fluffy snow.
It's so damp. Ooh, in this cave, it's so dark. I can light a fire.
So she lights some twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the cold northern wind just won't stop. But Bear snores. Two big ears sneak peek in the den.
Oh goodness, who's there?
And Hair pops in.
Hello, Mouse. It's me. Long time no see.
So they share snacks and brew warm tea. Mouse sips wee sips, and Hair burps big burps. But Bear snores on. Badger scuttles in, snow in her hair.
Whew, it's so cold out. I smelled yum-yums. Perhaps we can share? I brought snacks.
And all together they nibble and munch with a num 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 and a crunch. But Bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor.
Welcome coming in from the cold.
What a night! What a storm! It's cold up there.
And so everyone has gathered in the Great Bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in her very own lair. Mole stokes the fire, and Hair seasons the stew. But then a stray bit of pepper makes the bear She bellows and sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. As the bear wakes up.
What?
You snuck in my lair, and you've had all this fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I have had none.
And she whimpers and moans and wails and groans, and the bear blubbers on.
We're sorry, dear friend. Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We have more snacks, and we can make more tea.
Together they gulped, and they gobbled and sighed in delight, and they took turns spinning tall tales throughout the cold, blustery night. later, when the sun comes up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But her friends snore on.